Alright, I'm outside. Alright, I'm outside today. And I'm gonna do some interviews. I'm gonna interview some bugs. Like this butterfly. Excuse me, sir. Okay. I'm gonna chase a butterfly. No, I must look so weird right now. Excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. There's a butterfly. Excuse me, sir. Yeah, okay. I don't think he wants to talk. She's flying away. Um, um, uh, birds. No. No, I don't think anyone wants to do an interview with me. Am I that bad? When I mid? When I mid of a call? Yo, I think I found something. Hello? Want to say a few words, sir? I don't think that was real. I found another butterfly. I found another butterfly. Right. Excuse me, butterfly? Yes. Want to say a few words? Oh, okay. I think I found a dragonfly. A dragonfly? So you can see it. Dragonfly, want to say a few words? Alright, hello, sir? You want to say a few words? Want to say anything? Oh,